loves! Today we have a special for you. It's King Charles and Books, King Charles Spaniel. Kind of looks a little bit like one of my Beagle Boys. Anyway, I want to show you this from Diamond Art Club. And I just picked it up. I had a lot of free things I needed to use, and this one came back up again for sale. And I had been debating about it for a while, and I decided I'd go for it. Here is the little sticker that I used to identify on the end of the box or on one of my inventory sheets. I'll show you what goes into a Diamond Art Club painting kit. Let's see. You will get, since it's a square, you get a pointy tweezers. You get baggies to kit up or kit down in. You get a random colored pen and squishy. You get 2 plates of heart wax in a sealed container. You get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. You get a tray, sometimes white, sometimes clear, and it has a stopper on the end so that when you shake your drills into line, they all line up on here, and this will keep them from falling off the ends. I have to say I use Diamond Art Club trays more than I use any others. Get in there. It's not going back in there because of the baggies are not allowing it to go through. Let's see. Come on now. You also get some special things inside your kit. Unless you're ordering one of the older ones from the older stock, you do get this toolkit. The older ones just don't have these goodies with them. You will get a roll of washi tape, and the washi tape helps you keep the dirt off of the edges of the painting, keeps your drills nice and lined up around the edge, and it can also help you section off your cover if you want to do one section at a time. Another way to help hold the plastic cover back while you're working on a section is with the cover minder. I don't know if you can see it against my pink hand, but it's a cute little pink teddy bear. Is the cover minder. It's got a magnet on the back, and you clip this little magnet underneath the back and this one on top, and the cover pinches the cover minder in so that it stays out of the way while you're working. Okay. Put these goodies in here. All right. Let's get into the actual canvas. Now, Diamond Art Club canvases are nice and they're stiff, but they're smooth. They have a fuzzy feel to them. They have the logo at the top, do what makes you sparkle. And here comes the puppy on the bookshelf. On the bottom of each canvas, you will see the thumbnail and the information about the artist and information about the canvas. This is 17 inches square or 43 centimeters square. It's by Marilyn Kazanov for Diamond Art Club. It gives you all their social media information on here, and it also gives you a warranty if anything goes wrong with the drills or the canvas, that they will help you make it right. So this is a partial, which means that the background doesn't need to be done. It's on a painted canvas, but this is the center. You just do the puppy in the center, the puppy and the books. Alright, so you can actually see this, the whole thing, in the camera, which I'm very happy with. He's so cute, cute little puppy. He's got, let's see, 20 colors. and one of them being an Aurora Borealis, a special drill. We'll see that in a minute. You get, for each of your canvases, you get a sticker, a really big sticker to put in a notebook in case you keep track of what you've done, with the name and the artist, place to put your start and end date, and all the information about it at the bottom. On this side, you get individual stickers to help you kit up or kit down your colors. You have a sequence number, you have a symbol number, and you have a DMC color number. And I'll show you how clear those symbols look next to each other. The one that is under the number 150 is how Diamond Art Club points out the Aurora Borealis drill. So you have 1 with the number 1 on it. You also get an information sheet, which is it has a thank you from the owner, and it has lots of tips and tricks and everything that's included in your kit and how to diamond paint. It gives you some special discounts and special invitations to the Diamond Art Club VIP group. There. Alright, now here's, you get a color pack. The color pack has the inventory number of the canvas and the name of the canvas on it. Okay, now these drills, there will be one Aurora Borealis, and it's the number 141. It's A. So you can see the shine. I'm hoping you can see the extra shine. Compared to a duller color next to it, it has like a coating on it that gives it like a rainbow effect, an extra shiny shine. And those, I'll show you in a moment where those go. Now, here are the major colors included in the kit. Of course, they're going to be browns and blacks because it is a puppy. And they're going to be grays and whites and oranges here. And again, you don't need to do the outside of it since it is a partial. I apologize for the traffic noise in the background. That's driving me nuts. But for some reason on rainy days it magnifies the sound. Okay, so the number 1s that are going to be shiny, there's a little bit in the inkwell bottle right where the sun shines off of it. There's a little bit, there's a seam that goes up the middle of the feather quill. You have his little puppy arms and his little puppy cheeks, and across his little puppy forehead, and a little bit in his little puppy eyes. So anywhere the light is going to reflect on it, that's where the white, the special ABs go. This is going to be so cute and go so fast. Wouldn't he look nice in, I don't know, in like a nursing home to cheer people up, or just in a place where children are? Wouldn't this be fun to give as a gift to someone? You don't have to have a King Charles Spaniel in order to appreciate them. He is adorable. I did forget to mention that if you've never done square drills before, this is a great kit to start working on. You have some color blocking areas as well as some little confetti areas, and it's not a huge canvas. If you've never done squares before, I trust Diamond Art Club squares. They have their own factory making them. They are resin and not acrylic. They come out almost perfect. I have never had troubles with Diamond Art Club squares. So if you have never had squares before, or you've been frustrated in the past working with squares from cheaper companies, cheaper overseas companies, try out this one. This is a good one to try for squares, because it will really give you a good experience. All right, just wanted to check in with that. Well, thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and I hope to see you around again soon here at Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. I hope you can join us for our happy planners and decorating the planners, for beading and junk journals and art journals, all kinds of little things here on the channel that sometimes I throw in some extras. Hopefully we'll get to some interviews soon. I have some tips and tricks on diamond painting. You might, if you've never worked with Aurora Borealis drills before, you may want to check out my 20 tips for working with Aurora Borealis for ABs and special drills. You might want to check out that video. All right, thank you for joining me, and I will see you again soon, Divas. Bye.